Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry I haven't been posting in a long time, but today I'm going to be doing a squishy collection. Yeah, so I have a lot to show you guys. So I'm not even going to speak anymore and let's just get on to it. The first squishy I have is Roxy the Gale. Don't mind my horrible nails. Smells like grapes, and it's made by iBloom. Next is this purple mini marshmallow kitten. I have this this Polly on a cake roll, and I know it's peeling, but like it came like all peeled like this, so that's why I don't like it. I have this Polly on an eclair, which isn't peeled and stuff. I have a mini pop-up sheep. Here's the acrylic charm. Next I have this marshmallow kitten, the jumbo version. I have this uni Polly. I have this mini iBloom toast. You can't really see the snow resiness, but it is snow resin. I have this rare Hello Kitty in the egg. I have a mini iBloom peach. I have this Pusheen squishy. Sorry, I'm kind of trying to rush. Next, I have this Galaxy Macaron. This acrylic charm. Next, I have this Cinnamoroll Chigiri bread. And my last mini, is this Polly head macaron. It smells like strawberries, and the acrylic charm is super cute and it's so airy. Next, now I'm on to my jumbos. I have this like rainbow dinosaur. I have a Punimura Jumbo King Banana. It's the straw nano design. I have a iBloom Tea Time Bear, which is super defected, but I have two of these. I have this purple and blue poly bun. I'll show you one by one. This one is my stress squishy because it's not as soft and still rising. This one is so soft and still rising. I have this Punimura Cotton Candy Koala. I have a Black Sakura Yummy Bear. And I have this really rare Punimura Strawberry. I have this Jumbo Polly mascot. I have this Polly on a sushi. I have this marshmallow donut. I have a Luna Tabby cat. I have a Polly sitting on a unicorn. Super cute. I have this Penny Mario Jumbo Donut. I have another Yummy Bear which has an ice cream scoop on its head. I have a Penny Mario Jumbo Cat Cornet. I have a Charlie pancake. And my very last squishy is this Chica. It smells so good. And yeah, that was the end of my video. Sorry, like, I rushed it, but yeah. Sorry if I keep looking down in this video, because, like, my squishies are all in this drawer, and I'm looking down to pick them up and stuff. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a like, subscribe down below, and see you guys in the next video. Bye!